standard one of these engines develops around 300 horsepower. This thing here probably develops nearly 350. How do they do that? By using an engine tuner.
Everything is not really necessary on the engine, we remove. Because it's weight and we don't want too much weight on the plane.
Most of the teams now have got their aircraft down to minimum race weight, so there's nothing much that they can save now, otherwise they just have to carry ballast. So they're concentrating more on getting as much power as they possibly can from their engines.
It's just a matter of really changing camshafts, experimenting with camshafts, compression ratios, which are fixed here.
These engines start life as a basic 6-cylinder Lycoming IO 540 engine. That's about 9 litre capacity. But the teams use one of 3 engine builders to highly modify them. They do a lot of work on the cylinders, they increase the compression ratios of the cylinders, and they also spend a lot of time and effort improving the air flowing into the cylinder. More air in, more fuel in, more power out of the engine. Teams spend a lot of time, effort and money on modifying the engine to get the maximum power from it. Anything that they fit to this engine has to be approved by the technical committee of the Red Bull Air Race, but if they say it's okay to fit, the teams are free to fit it.
Everything that goes in the race plane is well tested before, so we not just put stuff in the plane, we always test it a lot of hours on the dyno before. And if we do bigger things, then we have another pilot who is flying all the new parts in his airshow plane for almost a season. And it's basically the procedure we use to make sure that everything is fine.
So high power, high temperatures, massive G loads. These engines have a very hard time, but they're very reliable, they're very good engines, and to set a good time in one of these races, you have got to have a top engine. So from the race airport, Steve Jones, it's goodbye.